out, our little Arctic explorers. Oh. I thought he was going in there.
It's easy! Did you see how fast I went?
There's 2 Disney water parks and I'm at Blizzard Beach.
Just chilling out, having a bit of downtime here at Disney's Blizzard Beach water park. Because the thing is, you've got to kind of work out your strategy before you take the kids on at the toboggan racers. I'm not going to let them win, am I? Oh no, he's beating me already.
You know what? At the top up there, you two went and I got stuck and I couldn't get. You were flying, but then somehow I caught up with you.
Okay, which one shall we do next?
That one.
Steamboat Springs?
Yeah.
Okay.